Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to sign into your Microsoft account now. Open account. Microsoft, Com or Windows settings accounts. Once signed in, navigate to your info where the current picture appears. Make sure your image is accessible on the device. If it's on your phone, transfer it or use OneDrive. You're starting with the essentials so you don't pause midway. This immediate step gets credentials and the right image file in place before you change the picture. You'll click Change Picture and choose the file you prepared. After selecting it, use the crop and position controls so the face or logo sits center. This determines how it appears across services. Make sure to confirm the upload and save changes. Windows or the web portal will show a progress indicator. Once done, your image starts syncing to Microsoft services. If it's slow, keep the account signed in and wait a few minutes for propagation. After upload, check Outlook, Teams, and your Windows lock screen to confirm the new profile picture appears everywhere. If you don't see the change, clear browser cache or sign out and back in. Sometimes propagation takes time. If your account is managed by an organization, make sure policies allow picture changes. If blocked, you'll need IT to enable it. As a final tip, re-upload a resized image if cropping looks off. Smaller fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.